In this video, I'm going to go over everything you need to know to download presets onto your KORG Minilogue. Our first step is to update the firmware on the Minilogue. This actually ended up being the most difficult part of the process because of a small step hidden in an instruction manual that nobody online seemed to be aware of in any of the forums that I checked. You'll need a audio USB cable for this. Not just a standard USB though, one with a square end on it. Now let's scroll down and download the system updater. Now this is a point in the video that you're going to want to watch. Even if you've downloaded 100 drivers before, this one's got a trick to it. So, like any other driver, you're gonna unzip it and run the application. Extracting it here. And here is the instruction manual, which I had to read after failing to do this multiple times. You'll see it says, turn on the power of the Minilogue while holding the 6 and 8 buttons. This will put it in update mode. So I hold that 6 and 8 button there, and then hit the power button. And you'll see it goes into version up mode. This is vital to install the firmware. Now that we are in update mode, we can run the application. You can see here mine has already been updated. If yours hasn't, this is where you update it. Now we need to download the Sounds Librarian app. There's no tricks to this, just download it as you would any other program. Alright, now let's open it up and see if we can't get it to recognize our programs. I'm trying here, but I'm failing, and it's because the Minilogue is still in the update mode. So I'm going to power it off and power it back on. Here it is booting up into its normal state. Once that's turned on, we'll try again. To receive all of the plugins. It's still not working, so I'm just going to restart the program. Try again. Now it's working. You can actually see it says transmitting on the screen of the Minilogue. And after a few seconds, every single preset that you've made and that comes from the factory is going to be loaded in here. Now is a great time to save this. Save this into your documents folder in case you ever want to come back and use any of these. To save all your presets, simply hit Save As and put it someplace safe on your PC. Now for the fun part. KORG actually has a few hundred really nice presets that you can download off of their website for free. I went ahead and downloaded all of them. And the way you're going to put them on your KORG is you're going to go up into Options and Open Preset Window. And then you're going to import your preset file. And I wasn't able to ever find them in downloads. So what I had to do for each one of these is take it from the downloads folder and bring it into, copy and paste it into a document folder. As you can see I'm doing here, pasting it into my documents. And then coming through, import preset file, and then there it is in my documents folder. Once you've downloaded it, you can go into Options, Preset Data, and you can select them and actually play them live. You can go through each one and select it on your computer and then play it live on the KORG Minilogue, which is great for selecting just certain sounds that you want instead of entire packs. So we're going to open the preset window and find some that we like. Like, what do we got here? These are all the free packs. Got this one here, we're going to drag and drop it over. And this one here, we'll drag and drop it over. I clicked Write Program. And because I didn't have them both selected, it only wrote that second one that I put in, because that was the only program actively selected. If I wanted to do all of them, I could either select the ones I wanted to do, or I could just say write all. But this is all you need to know. With this, you can download the hundreds of presets for free on KORG, or even buy some online. Have fun.